Americans are feeling the pain of rising prices, and a new report out just today shows they are not dropping anytime soon. The Consumer Price Index measures what people pay for goods and services. The Labor Department reports it jumped by more than 6% from a year ago. That is the biggest increase in more than 3 decades. And it's hitting our wallets in a huge way. The price of fuel oil up nearly 60% over the past year. Beef jumped 20%. New cars and trucks up 10%. President Biden visited the Port of Baltimore today to pitch his infrastructure bill. He blamed the soaring prices on the pandemic.
COVID-19 has changed the way we spend our time and our money. More products are being delivered than ever before. It also means we got higher demand for goods at the same time we're facing disruptions in the supplies to make those goods.
The president says the infrastructure package will help ease inflation. But now the rising prices are threatening the rest of his economic agenda. Full CNBC team coverage tonight. In a moment, our Kayla Tausche on the political pressure. First, CNBC's Courtney Reagan on the impact to Americans. Courtney.
Everything that from last year to this year is either doubled or tripled in price.
Americans frustrated and feeling the pinch. Everywhere they look, prices rising. Fuel prices for your home and your car way up. Gasoline prices surging more than 6% from last month. And in the grocery store, sticker shock. Staples like bacon up more than 20% from last year. Egg prices up 12%. Pepsi is raising the price of its drinks and snacks. The price of Oreos, Sour Patch Kids, and Ritz crackers are going up 7% in January. Shoppers having to pare back.
Actually, what I've been doing is like buying a little bit less, and just trying to stretch it more, to be honest with you.
The soaring prices, yet another ripple effect from the pandemic. The higher cost of shipping goods around the world and labor shortages are straining the global supply chain. Those pressures, coupled with a strong demand for goods, pushing prices higher.
There's just no roadmap for reopening a $20 trillion economy, let alone a global economy, all at once, but at different times, which has caused these supply chain bottlenecks that we've seen out there.
Not even toys are spared. Nerf maker Hasbro and Barbie maker Mattel are increasing prices just as consumers start checking off those holiday shopping lists.
The holidays are going to be different because the cost of everything is higher, so I'm going to have to, buy less presents.
Consumers are bearing the brunt of higher prices for now.
I think we'll see some slowdown in inflation as we get into the second half of 2022, even the spring of 2022. The bottom line is that inflation's not going to cool enough not to burn.
With consumer spending 2/3 of our country's economy, if it weakens, so too will our economic recovery. Shep?